Beef, chicken or pork?
Beef for sure. Oh, I don't dislike pork. I just like beef more.
How did it go in your competition?
Good. I got second in the pork and I got seventh in the beef.
You heard of Porkapalooza? We need to get you into Porkapalooza. You guys going to be at Porkapalooza?
Yeah, we'll be there.
Yes, we are.
Yep.
Yeah?
Hot tub full of girls again, so.
Yes, we will be at Porkapalooza.
Yes, yeah, we're signed up for Porkapalooza. We're doing the whole Alberta Cup.
Yeah, we're very excited. Yeah, this is our first trip.
This year, Porkapalooza is hoping to get 70 teams to become the largest barbecue competition outside of the United States.
I'm trying to figure something out here. I'm trying to figure out how many different ways you can use pork on a barbecue.
I think there's a place where we can find that out.
You know what? June 15 and 16, Porkapalooza in Edmonton. I think that's when the barbecue team is going to show us exactly how to do the pork thing. Alberta Pork is one of our partners. The Cowboys are going to be there, and we're going to see what makes Alberta Pork so great and see how people are actually competing for the grand prize, which is one of the biggest competitions in Alberta. And I think this year they're making it the biggest. It has lots of music, lots of entertainment, lots of food, hanging out with mates, having Father's Day, and we're going to be there. So should you.